morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. July 30th, 2025. Last trading day of June. See how we can wrap this up. June hasn't been too bad to us. Pretty good month. But moving forward, going into July, we got some things to work on. So we're gonna be tweaking the risk management, trying to keep these losses small, keep the profits the same, if not more. So really trying to execute on our entries and exits. Get these exits real tight and figure out a way how to lose less on trades that we were already up in. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Put the screen up. Oh man. Addicted to hustling. I can't stop. Won't stop. Can't stop. Never hear me complain about what I ain't got. Because if I want it, I'm going to go get it. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Internet strong. Let's catch a win today. It's Monday. Let's start the week off strong. Let's start the week off strong. All right, so this is what I'm seeing. Right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Right now, it's looking like we're looking at all-time highs right now, right? Looking at all-time highs for NAS. Which all-time highs already puts me in a sell bias for the day, unless we really have something strong. Unless we really have a strong demand set up, I'm already interested in sales. Let's see what we get. So the 4 hour, we can see that we're at all-time highs for the 4 hour. Let's come down to the 1. Okay, this candle, 8 o'clock candle just closed. Let's see. Trying to get out of this little range here. Yeah. Anyways, just looking for strong demand candles here. Potential area for reversal. So we have one here, and we have one here, right? For potential areas of reversal. Squeeze that. Come down to the 15. Okay. Come on down to the 5. All right. Got a little supply. So I'm here. We can go crazy today. We can go crazy today. Just got to be patient. Just have to stay patient. We have a lot of room to come down. Nice little range come down into. Yeah. We got supply right here. Right here. All-time highs. We got a supply candle. Definitely do some damage. Definitely do some damage. I'm gonna stay patient. Stay patient. I would love to see us get underneath here. Close underneath VWAP. Close underneath 855. But this will be a valid supply setup, in my opinion. I'm a 5-minute right here. Come here, tap 881, and then sell off. That's all I have for today. So, we have our levels, right? Squeezing the top, squeezing the bottom. Just waiting for the market to make his decision. See on the 15 that this touch here. $908. Just gonna be patient. Let the market tell us what it wants to do. Trying to catch the best setup for the day. Trying to catch the best setup for the day. So I would really like for us to come on down, close underneath VWAP, close underneath the structure here. All right, yeah, support, 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 support again. See if we can get underneath that. That would be nice. That would be nice. So if we took this here, this will be a tight 1-to-1. Risking 25, right? To make 25. This will be pretty tight. I would like for it to get underneath this here, so that way we can have some clean range to come into, right? I don't really see anything here on the 5. I'm gonna get rid of this. Got a little potential area. Yeah. Let's look at it on the 15. Okay. Okay. Boom. Yeah. Let's go Monday. Let's give us something good. Let's give us something good. Give us something good. Yeah, I would really love for this to come down, break these key levels here, including the VWAP. This would be nice. Again, we're looking at all-time highs right now. You see, we've just been pushing up, up. Very minor pullbacks on the 4 hour. Not much of a pullback at all, to be honest. We've just been going up. Just been going up. Yeah, it would really be nice if it can come all the way down. If we can catch something like that, hold this trade all the way down, fill out this candle. That will be solid. Let's see, this could be the start. If it's not the start, then I'm thinking we found that support, right? Push through, wait for it to close above. Why is this so high? Okay, looking at it on 15. Yeah, wait for it to close above, and then we go from there. What does this range look like here? Yeah. All right, looks like it just tapped here. Supply candle. Let's pull it up and tap. See if we get a strong reversal now down to the downside. Basically, I would want to see this reverse, come down, close underneath VWAP, close underneath structure, and we'd be looking to take a sell. Where am I getting out is the biggest question. The biggest. We have a lot of price action here. This level. Not too much going on at these. You got this demand candle. Yeah. I think this trade has potential to come on down. Nice little heartbeat going on in here. Yeah. And we do have another little level here. Take a look at this. It's nothing really too strong. It's nothing that's sticking out to me on the 15. Yeah, I think we should be able to push through here. Come on down. Here we start here. We do have this little area to fill. So what I'm looking at is just area to fill, or ICT. What they call it, fair value gap. So a little fair value gap there, a little here, and we have lots more area to fill underneath here. Um, our safest bet is to take our 50. All right, so if we can get a setup that can close underneath here, take our 50 down to the downside. This is a nice little supply though. See if this can hit. If this supply hits, we can definitely make our way down. There's just not enough points for here for me to take the sell aggressively here, because it could easily, tap back down and reverse and go back up to the upside. So I want more confirmation. Look for more confirmation for it to close right underneath these levels here. And if we can close underneath here, then I think we're in good shape. We're in good shape to make a quick 1-to-1. I'm sorry, 1-to-2. So risking 25 to make 50. All right. And that's normally my target. Obviously, if the market looks like I can get more, we try to get more, right? So I'll be super happy with the 1-to-2 today, though. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. See what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour saying we could come all the way down to here. And if we break this level, then we can come down and fill out the rest there. It's much cleaner on the 1 right now. 15. Do we have anything here on the 5? No. There's nothing there. It's interesting. We've tapped in here several times. Man, this candle is pushing up. Looks like this trade I did isn't looking too great right now. If we were in this, I will have my stop about here. Yeah. 9:20. Got 10 minutes until market opens. We have 10 minutes until the market opens. Still traveling up. Still traveling up. So 1 hour gave that nice supply candle there, and the next candle decided is to turn right on around. It's basically support level. All right. Then we have a resistance level up here. Let's see if we can get through here. We can definitely do some damage. I'm just playing in all the new territory since we're at all-time high. So let's see what we can do. The exit is not very clear today. I'm not going to lie. So if we're looking for a sell, I'm thinking I can hold to at least here. Right on the safe side. Short. We're looking at 45 points at best, depending on where our entry is at, right? Yep. There's not much going on the 5. Yeah. I'm not worried about all of this. Not worried about all of this. Looks like if I'm getting in anything, should be getting out around here. Maybe a 1-to-1 today. Sell orders might step back in. See how cheap this trade is, though. This might be worth our while just because we don't have to risk as much. 25 points here. Still not that cheap since this will be the top here. Yeah, I think it's the range we can play around in if we close underneath. So that's pretty good. It's about 38 points, this range here. So yeah. Close to market open. We are close to market open. Let's see if this supply holds up. See if this supply holds up right here. And if this holds up right here, we can definitely do some damage. All right, we take all these lines off. Take the VWAP off. It's looking pretty good for a sell. This looks pretty good for a sell. Looks like potentially the 5-minute has already begun. Let's see, you take something cheap right here, 7-point risk. Take this down. $37 points. What time is it? This thing is, and this 5-minute hasn't been looking too clean as of late. It's just like long wicks, and this 15 is looking much more clear, in my opinion. It's much more clear on the 15 right now on direction. 5 is just like scribble scrabble. See what we get here. Thinking we can take this candle closes. I'm going to take this supply setup here. We get in for market order sell. And the stop will be above this wick here. But we're going to bank that this supply is going to hold up. And we can hold to our 50. For our 50 point take profit down here. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to ride this 930 open. I really like how this supply candle looks. I'm going to embrace this 930 open. And bank on this supply holding up right here. So I'm getting ready to take a market sell to the downside once this 930 candle opens. Pretty much I'm banking on this supply setup for an aggressive move down to the downside. Right now it's responding pretty well if you're looking at it on the 15. So this closes here. This closes here. I like where we're at. So I'm getting in for a sell now. And let's see what we can hit. Moving this to break even. We're already up in the trade. Moving, coming down to break even. just trying to get the 1-to-1 here. All right. Looks like we didn't get the 1-to-1. Maybe we want to do a liquidity sweep and then push up to the upside. See what we get. I'm not interested in any buys until we close above here. All right. So I'm not interested in any buys until we close up here. We can come down to the 5-minute. Turn the VWAP back on. Wait for it to break VWAP. And we begin in for sales again here. Saying if we gave the trade enough breathing room, we actually would have already hit. But we're practicing a tighter risk management, so no money loss is a win. So I got my limit sell order here at a VWAP. Oh, that's tough. This is just going to keep going down. So I'm taking a VWAP sell here and try to get a 1-to-1 for 25 points. This is what I was banking on happening. Unfortunately, it came up to our entry and took us out of the full move. But again, like I said, this month, this week, I'm practicing tighter risk management to protect the capital a little bit better. And this thing is crashing down. Tough. We probably not oh, this is tough. It'd have been nice for it just to keep it moving from the get-go while we were already in the trade. But it had retraced back up to our entry and took us out of the move. But that's kind of the price I think I'm going to pay moving forward with a tighter risk management plan. Trying to avoid losing as much, right? This is tough. I'm not gonna lie. This is tough. It'd have been nice to already been done for the day here. We would already hit TP if it didn't come back up and take us out. But again, this is the price that pretty much going to pay with having a tighter risk management. The price you're going to pay with having a tighter risk management. I think in the long run, it will pay off. The tighter risk management, but we'll see. Because right here, we just missed out on a very easy win because of the tighter risk management, right? So I think we could have a rejection here. Just looking at it on the 1 hour. We have a little support area, right? So we could have rejections and trace back up. retrace back up just for a moment. People probably put in buys here. Oh man, it's tough. We had an easy one. I might just call it just for the fact that I don't want to chase anything. I don't want to make a irrational decision because my spirit already felt like I was supposed to be in this trade. Made some easy make some easy money today and been done. I think we have a little possible sweep. This is a good price though to come back up. So it's a good price to come back up. But we have a wick test here and we have VWAP behind us. So that's what we're taking. Let's so take a sell order at 228, or what is it? 852. 852 is where I have that sell order at. Again, targeting a 1-to-1. The moment we go up 10, bring the stop down. Bringing the stop down to break even. So let's see what we get here. I like this wick right here. I like that the VWAP is behind us. We got a nice area to fill. Potentially, we still have some good room to come back down and tap into. All right. Still have some good room to tap into. See here, we're getting close. We are getting close. It's 9:39. I don't know if they wanted to start early. Let's see. 47 it came up to. Just wait to see how it plays out. So we got a huge supply candle area to fill. We are in a downtrend. We touched all-time highs up here. I think we can definitely sell off quite a bit more. So let's see if we can get tapped into this trade. See if we can get tapped into this trade. It's just looking good on the 15. As long as we close underneath this VWAP here. $15 has 2 minutes. Sure would have been nice to have been a part of this first candle. You know, sure would have been nice. I'd already been headed into the 9 to 5. Right now, halfway down 95. It's okay. We're going to earn it. We are going to earn it. Just got to wait a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. This candle's closing pretty nice on the 15. Closing out very strong. Not sure if we're going to get tapped back in. It's looking like it's just ready to do its thing. Tough. Tough, 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 tough. Tough, 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 tough. Tough, 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 man. This is also the breakout candle. You'll have opportunity for buys once it passes this wick. See what we do here. So we could have a limit sell order right here at the top of this wick. So the moment it passes this wick, we'll get in for sales, and then it'll just keep working its way down. And all we're trying to do here is grab 25 points, right? stop sell here. Actually, I'm sorry. It'll be whatever comes first. If we can take this setup here, this will be lovely. We can take the breakout down for 25 for a sell at 801. All right. So let's see whatever wants to come first. Looks like it's looking like it may want to return. Cool. So this is all we're looking at, right? Push down. We'll be getting out right around here. I think we sold off so heavy that we're probably not going to return here during this session, or at least during my hours anyway. Maybe, at another time, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So this is not a breakup. You can see this supply hit, right? This first supply zone idea. Take your sell. Took the VWAP off to for a little more clarity. And that was a great trade right there. If you were in from the top, it's a great trade. Right now, we're just trying to finish out this supply move, ride the momentum off of the break of structure here. This candle broke this structure here. Let's see if we can just keep pushing on down. We can get another 25 off of this. Not asking for too much. Not asking for too much. So I got to sell order in at 801 right now. All right. See if we can go ahead and finish out these 25 points. Just looking for 25 here. Catch this 1-to-1. Remember, we're moving our stop loss down to break even the moment we go up 10 points. Let's see if this breakout can hold up. Let's go, NAS. Come on, NAS. Be real nice for a simple continuation candle. It'll just be real nice if we can just work our way on down. Just work your way on down. Work your way on down. It's just taking this sweet time today. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Looks like about to get cooked here. All right, well, that's Monday. That is Monday. I think the best trade idea would have been smart to be patient and wait for the supply candle. I think after missing this first move here that we were a part of, I probably should have stepped away and just shut it down after being whipped out of here and see this go in my favor. It's how it be playing out. We closing out July, or were we in June? Closing out June up $2,000 across 3 accounts, so 6K. We did 6K this month. Anyways, man, appreciate y'all tuning in. We're gonna get back to it tomorrow. Today was tough. I'm not gonna lie, today was tough. Should have been an easy walk off win this morning. And don't tell me now this is about to playing games today, man. I'm out. Oh man.